Let's hop into a time machine and set the dial to the 1970s. Back then, computers were massive, and storing data? Well, it was chaos. Imagine keeping all your information in flat files, basically gigantic Excel sheets, but with no tables, no formulas, just a mess of numbers and names. Picture being a librarian with 10,000 books, but all your book info is split across 10,000 separate Word documents. Want to find every book by J.K. Rowling? You'd have to open each file one by one and search manually. That's what managing data looked like before SQL. But in 1974, two engineers at IBM, Donald D. Chamberlain and Raymond F. Boyce, stepped in to fix this madness. They created SQL, which later became SQL, Structured Query Language. SQL finally made it possible to search and organize data using simple English-like commands. And here's a fun fact. SQL is now the standard language for almost every database system out there. Alright, let's fast forward to today. What exactly is a DBMS? Well, say you run a small bakery. You jot down customer names, orders, and contact numbers in a notebook. That notebook, that's your database. But you need a way to add, edit, or delete entries, and maybe find everyone who ordered a cake yesterday. That's what a database management system, or DBMS, does. It's software that helps you manage your data in an organized way. DBMS tools let you store, retrieve, update, and delete data. That's CRUD. Create, read, update, delete. Think Microsoft Access, file system storage, or XML-based systems. But what if your bakery grows into a franchise? Now you have multiple outlets, more customers, and way more data. Instead of one giant notebook, you create tables. One for customers, one for orders, and one for payments, all linked together. That's where RDBMS, or Relational Database Management System, comes in. RDBMS stores information in tables, supports relationships through keys, and keeps everything organized and secure. Think MySQL, SQL Server, Oracle, PostgreSQL, and even SQLite for mobile apps. So DBMS or RDBMS, it's like comparing a messy notebook to an Excel workbook packed with formulas, filters, and connections. That's the power of modern databases.